The first thing you want to manage is which report format or design will be used in different situations. In SSRS, there's a big difference between the format selection for print management and non-print management reports. For print management reports, you can specify which format to use in the print management setup form. You typically print through print management when posting and printing documents or when reprinting from a journal. This is, for example, a form with purchase order confirmations. You can select Preview Print, use Print Management to reprint a purchase order confirmation as configured in Print Management, including the SSRS format selected there. On this screen, you'll notice other options for printing or reprinting reports. Pay attention to the first two, Copy and Original Preview. These are meant for quickly previewing the document on screen before distributing it, for example, via email to vendor. But what if multiple SSRS formats exist for the same report? Which one will be used? Well, user cannot choose. One format is set as the default in the database. It can be changed or overridden by a developer, but not by the user. That single default format will always be used when previewing. What about non-print management reports? Well, out of more than 1,000 SSRS reports, only about 40 are under print management. The remaining around 1,000 behave differently. If there is only one SSRS format, it will be used. If multiple formats exist, one is marked as the default, and again, if you want a different behavior, you need a developer to change it. And how is this solved in Docentric? Docentric is fully integrated with print management. The same SSRS report is triggered, but after SSRS prepares the report data source, Docentric takes over and combines that data source with the Docentric template. When printing through print management or any ad hoc configured print destination, user opens one of the Docentric print destinations and selects the Docentric template they want to use. For non-print management reports, Docentric applies a similar concept of a default template, but unlike SSRS, you can see and manage all templates for a given report. You can check which template is default, and more importantly, you can change it directly in the user interface. In summary, in SSRS, only print management reports let you select formats, and even then you're stuck with one developer-defined default in previews. For non-print management reports, users have no control at all. In Docentric, both print management and non-print management reports let you view, select, and even change default templates directly in the user interface. Configuring which templates will be used when can be automated for the most common scenarios, for example, having different default templates for different combinations of legal entities and report runtime languages. This form, called Docentric Report Setup, offers many configuration options. For example, you can override the default report caption, use a combination of placeholders and fixed text to generate meaningful document description automatically. You can select which Docentric data source provider DSP class to apply to completely change the resulting report data source. You can use the out-of-the-box provided placeholders or create your own as user-defined placeholders. You can configure advanced emailing options in the email sending settings form. You can specify document types for archiving, restrict certain printers from being used for certain reports, configure metadata to be applied when saving to SharePoint, and so on. And these are just the report-specific settings. Docentric also delivers many enhancements not only for SSRS, but for other standard D365F&O features as well, including emailing, alerts, warehouse labels, print management, and so on. In summary, Docentric gives you rich configuration possibilities, letting you automate defaults, control email and archiving, manage metadata, and even enhance standard D365F&O features beyond reporting.